Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming access. Sign into the Ps5 with the parent account that manages family settings. Once done, open Settings right arrow Family and Parental Controls to verify the child account appears. Make sure you also know the Epic Games account linked to Fortnite. Unlinking on Ps5 can require Epic verification. This step prevents surprises later and ensures you have permission to change restrictions. Without it, you'll hit blocks when changing in-game age. Now, navigate to Family Management and select the child profile to change limits. You'll adjust communication and user-generated content and the age rating for games. Set them to allow voice chat and content appropriate for Fortnite. Once you change these, restart the console so settings propagate. Then, open Fortnite and check in-game settings for voice and party privacy. These mirror Ps5 rules. If Epic's account age is discrepant, you'll need to update Epic account details next. Finish by logging into the Epic Games account linked to the child's PSN and confirm account age and privacy settings permit Fortnite features. If PSN remains restricted, unlink and relink the PSN account under Connections to force a sync. Once you relink, restart the console and open Fortnite to test party invites, voice chat, and UGG. Troubleshooting tip. If changes don't apply, clear local user data, ensure system software is current, and reauthorize family settings. That usually forces propagation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.